The lack of readily available information on reproductive health has been cited as one of the major reasons why the youth are exposed to early marriages, early pregnancies, among other ills.
Now information will be found in one platform, so that young people do not have to waste time all over the place on the internet or asking their peers and all manner of sources to access the information. It is in a one-stop. Thirdly, it is in the privacy of your hand.
This led to the need for the Ministry of Health, in collaboration with like-minded organizations, to come up with comprehensive solutions, one being an application where youth can access credible reproductive health specialists and information on reproductive health and contraceptive options, among others.
It was very important for us to engage with the youth from the very beginning. Not to have it done from an elderly perspective, you know. I recall that my colleagues told me when they first come with the first approach to the young people, they smiled and said, "This is what my mother would like." So I think having engaged with the youth is absolutely important. So I trust that what has been developed by them will also be helpful for them.
The application intends to bridge the gap in disseminating information to the youth, who most of the time fear speaking out and seeking help in matters regarding reproductive health.
Challenges that we face as youth and young people on SRHR, it's mostly like I'm a Muslim, and yeah, they somehow tell us not to use contraceptive, that God created us to reproduce, yeah, and just have so many people in the world. But I feel like I need to study first, and sex is gonna be there.
Further, the Ministry of Health has been called upon to put in place policies to ensure access to not only contraceptives but also information that will help them make better decisions as young people.
We established a unit specifically dealing with the adolescent and young people issues, and appointed coordinators both at the county and sub-county level. Through this, we've been able to enhance the partnership and relationship that we have with the youth. We involve them in our planning, in our budgeting, in our review of performances, and through this we've seen them giving us different views, and we have been able to look at things from their lenses. You know, initially we used to plan for them, but we got a lot of difficulties during implementation. But since the time we started involving them right from the word go, we've seen implementation becoming flawless.
Robbie Omondi, K24.